Let's move on to last part of electric current and its effect on page 194 and 195. We have been discussing about electromagnetism. What is electromagnet? It is not a natural magnet. It is temporary artificial magnet. When the electricity is passed through the wire which is wound around the iron, it gets magnetized. So this magnetism is called electromagnetism, which is temporary magnetism. When the power is cut, it loses its magnetism. So here we are going to study electric bell, which works under the principle of electromagnetism. It consists of gong. Look at this. This is called gong. We say bell, and a horseshoe electromagnet. This is magnet. And also it is wounded, the wire is wounded around the soft iron bar. This is bar, and it is connected to hammer, and it is also a contact screw arranged in a circuit. This is screw. Now what is happening? The screw is being contact with this iron rod, and the switch is here. Now the electric circuit is completed. So what happened when the switch is on, this magnet get magnetized. So what happened? It attract the hammer which is present in front of this electromagnet. What happened? It gets, due to magnetism, it gets attract towards itself. So it moves forward and hit this gong. At the time what happened? When this hammer moved towards this magnet, electromagnet, this gap will be evolved between the screw and this hammer. So what happened? Circuit is incompleted. Circuit is broken. So electromagnet now get demagnetized because power supply is not coming because of broken circuit. So what happened? This hammer come back to the original state. Now it is being contact. Again what happened? The circuit is completed and it gets electromagnet get magnetized. So in turn it will pull the hammer towards itself and it hit the gong and make a, that means bell, and make a bell sound. This is how our electric bell works. We are going to study is what are the hazards, what are the dangers occurs due to this electricity. It is dangerous, so we have to follow some precaution. Don't touch the live electric wire, which is very dangerous, which gives dangerous shock, which in turn takes away our life. And also don't touch any electrical appliances or contact electric wire with your wet hands, because water is a good conductor of electricity. Fuse wires of specified thickness should be used in the fuse box. One must have maintenance check in house wiring. We have to now and then go for check the wiring, electric wiring in our house, or appliances for broken insulation or loose connection, worn out tissues or moisture accumulation. These are things being checked out in our house regularly. House wiring must have proper earthing and appliances must use 3-pin plug. We know that power cables are generally made of 3 types of wires, that is live wire, neutral wire, earth wire. Live wire is of brown in color, neutral wire is of blue in color, earth wire is of green or yellow in color. Here are the points, certain points to be remembered. That is, first point is the electric current supplies energy to the house through the live wire. Through the live wire, it reaches the electricity. The electricity passes through the live wire to the every appliances. Appliances, which means that television, refrigerator, etc. And it returns through the neutral wire. From the appliances, the current comes back through the neutral wire. So to the appliances, electricity goes through the live wire. From the appliances, electricity comes out through the neutral wire. The live terminal alternates between positive and negative voltage, with the neutral terminal staying close to zero. In normal use, earth wire does not carry any current. The strands are insulated to make sure that no current passes between live and neutral and earth wires. There is a need to conserve such electricity. So what do? Put off electrical appliances when they are not being used. Encourage or use CFL or LED bulb, which reduce consumption of electricity.